Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Haley Dixon from High Definition Beauty, and today I'm so excited about this makeup look. Like, it's been my favorite so far. This is a purple, like, smoky eye, halo eye, and it just has like the perfect shade of shimmer on top, and I just really hope you like it, and please comment down below what you think, and let's skip the long intro and get right into it. Okay guys, so to get started, I did my eyebrows off camera, and I already did my eye base, which is a mixture of Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Light Medium and our Urban Decay eye primer. So we're just going to go right in with the shadows, and I'm going to start with the shade Love That from the James Charles palette. So I'm going to take that really pretty, it's like a purpley pink, and I'm going to put that on my crease and really focus on blending this out. It's a very, very pigmented color, so you really have to be careful and light-handed with it. I'm going to pull this color up pretty close to my brow bone, just so we get, so you can see the shadows when my eyes are open. Okay, so now once we have it blended into the crease, we're just going to take the next color, which is going to be Single, and that's the purple shade by Under Love That. And we're just going to take that on a fluffy blending brush, and we're going to put that all over our lid. And we really want to pack it on so we really get that color in there. I'm not using a packing brush for this, just because I really need this color to blend out. So instead of using a packing brush, I'm using the blending brush so I can blend it out instead of... So once I have that all packed on and blended, then I'm going to go in with my next color, which is going to be Escape, and I'm going to take that on a packing brush, and I'm going to very heavily pack that on my brush, and then put that on the outer corner of my eye. We really want to pack on that color the same as we did the lighter purple, so it really pops and deepens the shadows in our inner corner. I've really been liking making YouTube videos. It's been so much fun, and I hope you guys are liking them as well. It's been fun messing around with makeup and playing with fun new colors and seeing how you guys are reacting to the video. So I really appreciate that, and I hope you like my videos. I almost said our videos, but that's definitely wrong, but I'm glad that you're here. So now I'm going to go into my inner corner, and I'm going to pack on that dark purple as well, the same way that we did the outer corner. And I'm going to go in with my blending brush, and I'm going to take Single on it, and I'm going to blend that in very evenly. Let me know down in the comments down below if the things that I say in my videos even make sense or are helping you guys, because I really do want to help people with makeup and teach how to do things and play and have fun, and I want to do looks that you guys would want to see. So please comment down below so you can help me out. Okay, so now that's all blended, I'm going to do the other eye off camera, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I'm done with that, we're going to go in with my favorite part, the sparkly part. So I'm going to go in with a very, very small packing brush, and I'm going to take my MAC Prep and Prime, and I'm going to wet that. And then I'm going to take the shade Artistry on my brush, and I'm going to really, really pack it in there because it's a shimmery shade, and you really want that shimmer to come out. So taking that fully packed, and I'm going to put that on the center of my lid. I tend to use wiping motions with this, just because when you wet the pigment, it feels a lot more like a paint. So I feel like it goes on a lot more smoothly when you just brush it on. So I'm just packing on that pigment and really making sure that the shimmer is popping. So now that I'm done with the shimmer, I'm going to go back in with my blending brush and just make sure there's a smooth transition from the shimmer to the dark purpley shades. And putting the dark colors on our inner corner and our outer color, and then putting the shimmer on our lid, it really creates that halo look that I absolutely adore, to be honest. It looks so pretty in my opinion, and I hope that you like it too. So now I'm going to go off camera and do the rest of the face, and I'll be right back. Okay, and now that I'm done with the face, we can finish the eyes. And I'm just going to take a small pencil brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Ring Light in the James Charles palette. I'm just going to put the slightest itty bitty bit on the center of my lid, just to give the shimmer a little bit more shimmer, I guess. It's like highlighting the top of my lid. And then I'm going to take that brush that I used to apply the shimmer shade, I'm going to blend that out. We want this shade to be very, very subtle. And we want it to be mostly purple, but just that little bit of white to show
like the
halo effect of our eyes.
And now I'm going to go in with that same brush again, and I'm going to take Ring Light, and I'm going to put that on my brow bone. And again with the other eye. And now we're going to do our bottom lash. So we're going to do the same pattern that we did on the top of our eye, but just on the bottom. So I'm going to take Love That on the pencil brush, and I'm going to put that on the inner corner of our eye. And just blend that out till I get to the start of where the color in my eye starts. And now we look kind of crazy, but I'm going to take that same brush and I'm going to go into Single, and I'm going to put that right next to that color. And with the same brush again, I'm going to go into Escape, that darker purple, and put that on the outer corner. And I'm also going to take Escape and I'm going to blend it up to our lid. I'm just going to run over the bottom of my lash just to make sure it's a cohesive blend of all three of the purples. I'm going to do the same on the other eye. And so now once I'm done with that, we can do our inner corner highlight. And I'm going to take literally the smallest brush ever. It's so cute. And I'm going to take the shade Ring Light and a little bit of that James Charles white. And I'm going to put that in the inner corner of my eye.
The white color that I'm using is called Flashback, by the way.
I'm going to take a little bit of my NYX glitter and I'm going to put a little bit of that silver on my inner corner of my eye, just to give it a little bit of sparkle.
I'm going to blend that out.
And that is the eye look all complete. I'm going to fast forward the next few steps, which is going to be mascara, lashes, and liner, and I'll be right back. And now the eye looks complete. Yay, we finished. Okay guys, now that we're finished, I hope you guys liked it. I had so much fun filming it, and I think it's such a beautiful look for like going out or to a party or any type of fun event or just playing with colors in general. And please comment down below any other makeup tutorials you want to see or any questions, comments, and concerns. And I'll see you next time. Bye guys!